Slow mo dapat. Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
It's 24th of April.
24th of April. It's our flight going to Maldives.
We're gonna eat at Din Tai Fung. Lunch at the airport. This is the port where we'll wait for our speedboat later to go to our island. Grabe, guys. This is how blue the water is. So guys, kung nakikita nyo yan, I think that's where the Male City is. Kung saan ka mag-ferry going to your local island. So you have to go there via this boat. This is a local sea ferry going to Male City. And it runs, I think, every 30 minutes. And it's just $1 to go to Male City. So it's not too bad. Guys, we're here. Simple lang. King size bed, toilet, and shower. And then ito yung lalagyan na ng mga gamit. Yan. And then, ayun na yung beach sa labas. Like, ito yung bikini beach nila. Kasi hindi lahat ng beach dito pwede kang maligo. I mean, mag-bikini. So, andito na agad sa labas namin. Mamaya punta kami sa sand bank and mag-snorkeling. Yan ang view. Kita niyo yun? Yung island na yun. Private island yun. 500 each night. Bye!
So we just finished snorkeling. Then pupunta kami ngayon sa sandbank. It's like the naked island.
Guys, kabalik na kami sa pinagsastayan namin.
Kapagod!
Diyos ko, kala namin like chill-chill lang
Relax,
na
relax.
pupuntahan lang yung ginawa namin. Nag-sandbank kami, but before that, nag-snorkeling kami. Sobrang lakas ng current.
Hindi niiwan kami nung talagang bangka.
Naiiwan na kami nung bangka kasi nga kung saan kami napapadpad. For the Langoy. Well, di naman kami makapag-video din kasi sobrang lakas talaga ng current. Wala, sobrang simple lang ng buhay na dito. Sobrang tahimik. So, yun. Hintay lang namin yung order namin. Let's try the mango juice. Puro. This is my order. Grilled tuna with salad and vegetable rice. And seafood rice for Alex.
Yun siguro yung mga inuuling malalaki mo. Kasi yung hinihiwa pa na ano.
Guys, kahit very small island lang yung Toulouse-du, meron na silang mga shops din. Tapos eto may grocery na rin sila na malapit lang dun sa pinagsastayan namin. Good morning vlog. Anong date na ngayon? April 25, 5:46 AM. And we're watching the sunrise. Ito yung ano namin, pinagsastayan namin. And then this is the sea view. Breakfast time. We're having eggs
and
toast and hot dog and some fruits and orange juice. Smile.
Grand Park, Antiparo. At the end of this
Welcome to Grand Park.
So, ito yung infinity pool nila. And grabe, guys. Yan. Tapos, andun na yung mga villa sa side. So, ganun kami magstay later.
Hi guys, so we're going to our villa. So here's the villa. And we can swim there.
Okay guys, dito kami magsistay.
This is our villa.
Pool water villa.
Welcome to our villa.
Yan. Uy, chinelas mo ba? Ang bango guys. Pasok pa lang. Sobrang bango. So, ito yung receiving area. Merong table and chair. Mirror. Dineliver na nila yung mga luggages namin dito. Tapos yan, merong malaking cabinet. So, from here, makita mo may day bed. Tapos, ito yung bed.
Welcome.
Tapos, ayan, may TV. And ito yung cute na part. Ah!
I will swim there later.
Ayan o. May tag dito glass. Makikita mo yung water sa ilalim. Tapos, may chair dito. Tapos,
CR.
bathroom.
And bathroom.
Ayan. So, ayan yung mirror. Dito yung toilet. Ang ganda. Ito yung shower, guys. Tapos may kasamang bathtub. Then overlooking siya dun sa labas. So kita mo yung lagoon sa labas. So may pintuan.
It's a sliding door.
Yeah. So pwede kang lumabas from here. So next, tayo sa may pool area.
Our own private pool.
May private pool din kami. Ito. Wow.
Wow.
So, dito you can access the lagoon. Meron siyang sariling stairs. Tapos, ito yung private pool namin. Infinity pool. And then, yan. Meron siyang
Hammock.
Yan. Yan. Tapos, ayan. Ito yung day beds. And then, yan. May space lang dyan. Tabitan ng mga damit and everything. Yun. Yun lang naman, guys. Guys, I just got finished getting ready. This is the fit. Off to lunch. Guys, we're here in the Edge. Isa to sa mga restaurant nila and we're gonna dine in here.
Lunch.
For lunch. Thank you. Dining area, guys. Good morning vlog. It's my birthday.
It's our birthday.
5:58 AM. Ang aga naman, 6:11 doon sa sunrise eh.
Here's the view. Go! Dito na kami sa beach. The sunrise is there. Yan ang bebe ko. Happy birthday! school near the lunch place, Greece. This is our appetizer. She ordered the shawmai, dim sum, mixed dim sum. Mine is a nacho. Right, our food has arrived. Anong order mo?
Seafood ay salmon poke bowl.
Sa akin is seafood fried rice. Then we ordered some drinks again. The mango sticky rice. Ordered some ice cream.
They prepared when we came back the room.
Villa 78.
Yan yung spa, guys.
Nasa WhatsApp.
Overwater din siya. Thank you, guys.
Finish na yung massage. Finish na.
Massage review. Tinulugan. Hilek.
Hilek, malala.
Ito kami sa area na to para mag-cha-cha. Ito yung itsura niya. Ito. And then, ito yung tea namin. Let's drink this. This is, ano daw, Alexandra. Salad and seafood bisque.
The duck.
Grilled tuna.
Grilled tuna, medium rare. Ay, it smells in your mouth. Okay, kain muna kami.
More fishies. Good morning, guys. It's our last day here. We're having breakfast. Thank you. Guys, we already checked out. We're just waiting for our transport back to Male City. To Male Airport. From the airport, magfe-ferry kami going to Male City para makapag-ferry kami papunta dun sa pangalawang island. Third island na pupuntahan namin, which is Maafushi Island. Local island siya. Hindi siya yung gantong private resort island. Punta kami dun kasi magta-try kami ng mga tours nila kasi mas mura doon kaysa dito mo, like 3 times yung difference kung dito ka magbubok, kaya doon kami pupunta. Plus gusto rin namin matry like yung local life again, para siyang Toulouse do, pero I think mas marami ng establishments doon compared to the island that we've been through before. Mamimiss ko dito.
we're here in Maapushi. Gumala muna kami. Nag-book na kami ng tour namin tomorrow. Punta kami sa mga sharks.
Sana hindi maulan.
Sana hindi maulan kasi it's raining now.
Nag-order na rin kami ng dinner dito. Octopus.
Grilled octopus and beef stroganoff.
Go.
Yeah.
Eat. Bon appetit. $30 pa rin ba? Guys, we're waiting for our tour guide kasi mayroon kaming shark tour today. Yan. Yung mga cats. Hello, Cassie Boo! Hello! Ito vlog. Vlog yan, vlog. Hey! Eden! Guys, dito kami sa Fully 2 Island. Ito yung lunch area namin. Plus, nandito yung mga stingrays. Ito na yung lunch namin, guys. Lunch box. Bobby.
Nakakita si Ollie the shark.
Kakauwi lang namin from our shark trip. 3:45 PM na. And ang ganda ng araw, guys. Sana hindi na umulan.
Sana po.
Para naman makapag-sunset kami mamaya.
So this is the view. Beachfront. The only bikini beach.